Welcome everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look, from start to finish. Yes, so here we go, let us jump right into it. And today's video was sponsored by SoWigs. I received a dust bag and this beautiful butterfly card with a coupon code on how to take care of your wig. And these goodies. This is Kayla. She is a 20-inch deep wave 13x4 frontal wig with a density of 180, and her hair color is natural black, which that is a 1B. She came pre-plucked, and inside you have 4 wig combs and adjustable straps. So I won't be talking throughout the video. I will just be showing you how I install and style her, but I will be telling you what I think about her, so stay tuned to the end for my final thoughts. Okay.
And I mean, if you get free of the mind, say your body talk to me nice. Say I'm a love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other body. Girl, I want you, yeah. Girl, I want you, yeah. I want you, each other, I need that, I want to play. Baby, girl, I know you ready. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it up. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why I don't want. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel my mean, if you get free of the mind, say your body talk to me nice. Saying I'm a love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, birthday. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Ask me for me, certain. No one is a giant. No one is until the morning, my one was up on your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. Don't need no other body, don't need no other body, only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. You don't need no other body. Girl, I want you. Yeah. Yeah, I want you.
And we are finished. Yes, this is our final result. So I love me some curly hair, you know, very low maintenance, like hello water, conditioner, oil, etc. You know, that part. Overall, you just want to make sure that she's moisturized and you're good. And I did not do anything to her besides bleaching the knots. And she did shed a little, but that is expected based on the fact that she is curly, but no tangling so far, and that's a good thing. So guys, I'm gonna leave her information down below. It will be a direct link to her, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.